Brand Leather presents briefcase with combination lock. This briefcase is crafted out with premium quality, pure 100% full green leather, which stick hits well and looks even better with edge. The interior of this briefcase is crafted with velvet to give it a premium look and feel. The briefcase comes with a very comfortable handle with cushion grip underneath. This classic brown briefcase has large capacity in the main compartment, an interior organizer section, a file pocket with expandable strap with snap fastener which can help you to store more when needed. The briefcase comes with several dedicated compartments designed to keep your laptops, files, documents, mobiles, pens and notebooks. It also has a small pocket with zip, which is best to keep small items like debit card and ID card. The briefcase comes with dual imported combination lock to add extra security to your valuable items. This dual combination lock is made of heavy-duty metal that does not break or wear out even after several years of usage. This sleek, stylish, hard-sided briefcase features 4 metal standing feet on the bottom for extra protection and stability. Brand Leather offers 1-year warranty for products against any manufacturing defects.